Okay. Have you ever been in a movie and like all the thing you hear is like you look beside you and the two people beside you are kissing the whole movie? It is annoying. Okay. Now imagine it at your house. You're sitting in the living room with your sister and her boyfriend, and through the whole entire movie, you hear it's like they don't even come up for air. This happened to me yesterday. It was horrible. It was like they were eating each other's faces. It was so gross. Please just watch the movie. It drives me nuts. And through the whole movie, I keep going, the movie's in front of you, not beside you. If you have a story similar to mine, just leave me a comment telling me about it, and maybe the same people have had the same thing happen to them. You're not alone.